Hi guys, I just came from work and I'm about to go gym, and I will prove that you definitely can work out in and wear hair systems at the same time. So I'll change my gym outfit soon, so stay tuned and I'll change my clothes now. I'm ready. I'm sorry about my outgrown hair, and the fade is not perfect because I'm getting my hair done on the next Monday, so in 5 or 4 days. So it's not the best, but this is what it is. And yeah, let's go to the gym, and I try to make a 5-kilometer run, so it should make me sweat and move this around. So let's go. Hi, I'm back now from the gym and I feel sweaty as what? But yeah, I just ran 5.5 kilometers in 30 minutes and it didn't come off, so job well done. But I bet you guys weren't here just to hear or see me running. Now I'm going to hit the shower, so see you in the next one. And please remember to follow Lordhair's socials, so TikTok, Instagram and YouTube. So thanks again and bye.